Glad to be here and present and get to know you guys more. And this is a chance for me and Carlo on my team to tell you a bit about us and what we do. So my name's Nick Nelson. My current role is Head of Design Systems at Transact, and part of that is consulting across other teams for implementation of the design system to help out on UI and UX patterns. I've been at Temenos for 2 years, formerly with Avoca for a further 2 before that. My overall past experience outside of Temenos includes working for the Australian government design system. So we had 48 live projects there with 250,000 downloads through all the government agencies. And also lead designer for the NRL, which is really big in Australia. It's one of our football codes. We've got 4, but this one's the National Rugby League. So I created the new design system there, and they get 2 million visits per month. Then, as I mentioned, head of Avoca Design, created the design system there and revamping products across the board there. Other companies I worked for is Cisco, Citrix, CBS when I was over in California, and also ran my own design company. Projects I work on at Temenos include the design system. So I'll just share my present a bit of that work. So a few of you who I work with have seen this, but this is the front page of the website. So a bit more of a marketing feel about it to introduce it to the teams and explain what it's all about. So the design system is combined with Unify UX, which is the coding language to turn those components into ready-to-use building blocks for applications. So we have different groups of components listed there, adding more all the time. So the end goal of increasing your team's efficiency. So we reuse designs and components as much as possible. It's also got a playground there. You can experiment and play around interactively with the components, see how they work. And this is a multi-framework platform, so it works with all these ones, and most importantly, Visualizer. It's very accessible, and then we have design and develop areas as well. So it's version 1 of the website, so it's just been launched, but we're building on it. You can find a list of components here with all the documentation. And then principles in the design section, the develop section to download the code as well, with the download section. You've got your sketch library in there as well, and Vision to view all those layouts. And then each page has specific documentation around it as well. Other projects include Workbench, which is configuring APIs and DevOps. Workspaces, which is an origination application workflow. Funds, which is a Transact UA. Just started the first business services group project called Castle. Some really good UI in that one, working with the team there. There's a Unify UX development, which is the actual component building, so we're working closely with the developers to build out individual components. And then the website, which is what I just showed with the publishing platform. And also like the actual code components you can take off that as well. Salesforce just started a new project using Unify UX with that one. And enterprise product pricing, Shamor did towards last year, working with Naresh's team on that one. But there's still some ongoing work with that. So my primary skills are UI, UX, and product design, but I really like the more the UI side of things, especially in developing those detailed components and bringing the brand in as much as possible. I'm a native of Australia, but I lived in San Francisco for 4 years in Brazil. So I had my 2 kids over there, and we've been back in Australia for 4 years. So my hobbies include water sports, so I live really close to the beach here in Manly. In my background, that's one of the close by beaches, so get out there and enjoy it as much as possible. Hope some of you can visit sometime as well. Achievements inside basically Transact is Q1 delivery of workspaces. So that's the one where we've built all these new Unify UX components from scratch. So it's kind of the first project end-to-end of that one. Refined and added components in Workbench, updated layouts in Funds, and used the design system for the first BSG project. Highlights include really getting to Q1 of that Workspaces project ready for handoff, incorporating all new design system layouts and structured components. Milestones, completing the version 1 of the Unified UX Design System website. And achievements out of work, I do a lot of outrigger paddling, so I made the Australian team and competed at the World Championships for that. I'll just hand it over to Carlo and give him a chance to introduce himself as well.
Hi guys, nice to meet you. My name is Carlo. I'm a user interface designer, front-end developer, back-end developer with 24 years experience. I live in Australia. I'm originally from Peru. I work in the Manly office and I'm part of Nick's team. I enjoy creating user interface designs with focus on usability. I joined Avoca in 2017 as a UX designer and then joined Nick's team a year ago as a product designer. My current role includes looking after the Sketch library components and offering support to our team in Australia and India. I also create design layouts for various Temenos products. I'm easily reachable via Teams or email. I'd love to hear from you, so just get in touch. So thank you guys. What do you team? Sorry, Nick.
Thanks guys, and look forward to working with you soon. Bye.